Alright guys, so let's take a look at our updated schedule. Some things have obviously changed, so we want to make sure that we stay all on the same track here. So this is your EMS 160 Cardiology 1 2020 schedule. Obviously we normally meet from 9 to 12:50, or in this case it's going to be actually 1500 since I never updated that to start with, on Mondays. We'll scroll down a little bit, we'll find where we are. So the last class meeting that we actually had was on the 9th of March, and we discussed ventricular arrhythmia management. We were supposed to talk about bradycardia management and junctional rhythms on the 16th. We did not have class this day, so that class was canceled. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would have to write the word canceled due to a quarantine, but here it is. So we are beginning online instruction. To the best of my knowledge, at this moment, being the 22nd of March at almost 11 o'clock at night, we are for sure going online instruction for the remainder of this upcoming week, which would be through the end of March. It is possible, I've been told though, that this could continue for the next few months, which would definitely extend through the end of this semester and possibly into next semester. So we'll just have to see where this whole thing goes. There's still a lot of questions unanswered, still a lot of things that we're trying to work through, and as soon as I know something different, I will absolutely let you know. So we are beginning online instruction as of the 23rd of March for this particular course, and this will not be the same with every course, so make sure that you're following the syllabus and make sure that you're looking at the schedule for each course, and I'll make a video for you like this for each course that you have. But in EMS 160, unless otherwise stated, homework assignments are due by midnight on Thursdays, and quizzes or exams are due by midnight on Saturdays of the specified week. There are two particular exams that are not due on a Saturday, and I'll make sure to show you that here in just a minute. So we are starting in the online format on the 23rd, so that's going to be this Monday, and our topic is going to be bradycardia management. The overall general layout of your schedule hasn't changed. Just know that though this says 323, that no longer represents just the day of 323. This is now the week of 323. And our weeks are going to be Sunday through Saturday. So Saturday is going to end the week. And make sure to watch the video on attendance, and that will help explain that a little bit. Alright, so again, the topic is bradycardia management. Here are your references. This does not say Onslow EMS, this is Office of EMS. So this is your state protocol. Your homework is due on the 26th. You have a midterm exam. This is the midterm we were supposed to take on the 16th. So since we were not able to do that, we're going to be taking it online. It is on EMS testing, and there's a link on the left-hand side of your home page in Blackboard for this course, EMS 160, that says midterm exam. If you click that, it simply says, hey, go to EMS testing to take this exam. So that is due by the 25th, which is a Wednesday, so that contradicts this Saturday remark. This is one of those two exams that's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so your midterm exam is due by the 25th at midnight. Everything is always due at midnight unless otherwise stated. Alright, so we also have a quiz this week though as well, and that's bradycardia, and that is due on the 28th. So this is Saturday. So midterm is due by Wednesday, bradycardia quiz due by Saturday, and homework due by Thursday. I know that's a lot. This will be the busiest week that we have, but we're trying to make up time for what we lost last week. As we scroll down, next week's topic would be cardiac arrest management, and it follows the same schedule. The homework is going to be due on Thursday, the quiz is going to be due on Saturday, and that continues all the way down until we get to the very last week, which is going to be 5/11. And 5/11 is the last day of classes at this moment. Of course, that is subject to change. Another thing that is subject to change is spring break. Currently, spring break is still in the schedule for the college. That could change. They may want to use that time to make up what we missed up here on the week of the 16th. So, your final exam is due on the 11th by 8 a.m. Bold, highlighted, make sure you know that, by 8 a.m. I know that that's really early. That doesn't mean you have to get up at 5 to do this exam, because it's going to be open for you several days in advance. But the reason this is due at 8 a.m. is because grades are due that morning of the 11th. Okay, so I have to submit all your grades. That means if you have not completed this final written exam by 8 a.m., you will have a 0 for your written exam. That means that you will not pass the class. Make sure that you get this in on time. As always, if you have any questions about the schedule or the class in general, be sure to shoot me an email. Hope you have a good day.